Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to transfer data and using Smart Switch in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here and search for the accounts and backup here. Yeah, that's right, and there is a transfer data for device setup. And as you see, it will be made by Smart Switch. In this case, you can external storage transfer also too. So to choose this operation, there is a Smart Switch Samsung here, so you can transfer data and backup and restore your data. So to this operation, you can need to continue. There is a smart permission to using Smart Switch, so you can allow it. And as you see, you can transfer your data. So you should to choose to send data or receive data to your phone or from your phone, and that will be all. When you choose it, the Samsung will choose you it's from the iPhone or Galaxy, whatever, and you can choose by wireless or by cable. Yep. So there is see how they connect and how they connect by your Wi-Fi. So that's it for now. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.